Hello students, we are discussed already about the nutrition and then we are discussing about the different steps in the process of nutrition. In the previous lecture already we studied about the modes of nutrition, autotrophic mode of nutrition, then heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Again we have discussed about the detailed in the autotrophic mode of nutrition, that is photosynthesis in the plants. Students, we have to discuss more about the different steps in the process of nutrition, that is in the animals. Means we have to discuss more about the heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, in this concept, when we consider the different steps which are included in this concept are the 5 steps are in this the nutrition process. First one, ingestion, digestion, absorption, then next one is assimilation and egestion. These are the 5 steps which are present in the nutrition process. When we consider this chart, ingestion, digestion, absorption and assimilation, and last one is the egestion. I will told you shortly. Ingestion means intake of food inside the body. Digestion means complex food particles are broken down into the simpler form. This simpler form is absorbed into the blood or absorbed into the body. Assimilation means the smaller particles are utilized and energy is released. This energy is used for making new cells, tissues, organelles, or for the growth, other various cellular activities. Egestion means undigested food or waste material formed in this nutritional process is released outside the body. It is called as the egestion. We will discuss it in the details. Okay. When we consider this egestion, students, when we consider this egestion, the process of taking food inside the body, it is called as the इंजेशन. इंजेशन म्हणजे काय, तर आपण फूड आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये इंटेक करतो त्यावेळेस त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, इंजेशन. मराठीत आपण त्याला जेवणे असं म्हणतो. आपण फूड इंटेक करतो, जेवतो, अन्न खातो, ह्या कन्सेप्टला इंजेशन म्हणणार आहे. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज द डायजेशन. डायजेशन म्हणजे काय, तर डायजेशनमध्ये काय होतं, डायजेशनमध्ये complex food material is broken down into the simpler form which is small water soluble molecules. It is called as the digestion. म्हणजे कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड मटेरियलचं ब्रेकडाऊन होतं सिम्पलर फॉर्ममध्ये, जे सिम्पलर फॉर्म ब्लडमध्ये ॲब्सॉर्ब होतं. दॅट इज नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज देअर, that is absorption. The process in which the digested food passes through the intestinal wall into the blood stream, it is called as the absorption. म्हणजे काय, इंटेस्टाईन जर आपण कन्सिडर केलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये स्मॉलर फोल्डिंग्ज असतात, त्याला विला असं म्हटलं जातं. याच्यामध्ये हे काय होतं, इंटेस्टिनल वॉलमध्ये काय होतं, त्याचं ॲब्सॉर्प्शन होतं. हे डिटेल्समध्ये आपण ह्युमन डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीममध्ये बघायचं. Next one is assimilation. When we consider the assimilation, the absorbed food is taken inside the body. Then cells used this for the energy, growth and repair. It is called as the assimilation. म्हणजेच इथं utilization of that food material takes place. फूड मटेरियलचं युटिलायझेशन होतं. इजेशन म्हणजे काय, तर अनडायजेस्टेड फूड जे आहे, जे बॉडीसाठी, लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझमच्या बॉडीसाठी हार्मफुल असतं, ते रिमूव्ह केलं जातं. इट इज रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द बॉडी ऑफ दॅट ऑर्गॅनिझम. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द इजेशन. ओके, दीज आर द बेसिक कॉमन स्टेप्स which are occurred during the nutrition process, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. These are the easy concepts, but you have to remember these 5 steps sequentially. Okay, when we consider the next concept, that is nutrition in amoeba. Students, already we discussed about the nutritional steps in the that is steps including the nutrition process. These are commonly present in the animals. When we consider the amoeba, there 5 steps are also occurred. Okay, that is which steps, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. When we consider the amoeba, it is a unicellular animal. Then it is its food is tiny plants and animals which floats in the water, which lives in the water. Okay, when we consider the amoeba, it is the aquatic. Okay, the tiny plants and animals are the food of the amoeba. Okay, The mode of nutrition in the amoeba is holozoic. Holozoic means when we take the food inside the body then digested it, it is called as the holozoic mode of nutrition. The phagocytosis, the process of obtaining food by the amoeba, it is called as the phagocytosis. When we consider the steps involved in the nutrition of amoeba, when these are as the ingestion, first step means the food material is taken inside the body of, that is cell of the amoeba. Okay, when we consider the diagram here, students, you have to observe this diagram carefully. Food particle is taken inside the body of amoeba. There are the finger like projection in the amoeba. Okay, the food particle is there, then pseudopodia surrounds that food particle. In this diagram you will easily observe this diagram. Okay, in this diagram the pseudopodia covers that food particle. Okay, then the food vacuole is formed. pseudopodia, अप्पर pseudopodia आणि लोअर pseudopodia एकत्र येतात आणि फूड व्हॅक्युल काय होतं, इथं फॉर्म होतं, इथं फूड पार्टिकल असतं. ठीक आहे, त्याला आपण फूड व्हॅक्युल असं म्हणतो. फूड व्हॅक्युअलमध्ये फूड पार्टिकल जे आहे ते डायजेस्ट होतं आणि डायजेस्टेड फूड मटेरियल जे आहे ते अमिबा ॲब्सॉर्ब करतात. इन दिस वे द न्यूट्रिशन इन अमिबा टेक्स प्लेस. बट these are again 5 steps. First one is ingestion, means food material is taken inside the body of amoeba, that is from the pseudopodia, and food vacuole is formed. Okay, in this way. Then digestion of the amoeba, the food is digested inside the food vacuole. फूड व्हॅक्युअलमध्ये डायजेशन होतं कारण तिथं डायजेस्टिव्ह एन्झाईम्स असतात. ते काय करतात, स्मॉलर सोलेबल मोलेक्युल्स काय करतात, फॉर्म करतात. मग ॲब्सॉर्प्शन होतं. ॲब्सॉर्प्शन म्हणजे काय, तर ह्याच्यामध्ये हे जे सिम्पल सबस्टन्सेस आहेत ते त्या सेल्युलर कंटेंटमध्ये रिलीज होतं. ॲसिम्युलेशन, ॲसिम्युलेशन मीन्स these food particles are utilized to obtain energy and makes the parts of the amoeba cell, okay, which is having the growth of the amoeba, that is the assimilation, means utilization of that food. Egestion, the waste food material is removed from the surface of the cell because amoeba is a single cellular structure. Excretory system in that single cell is a only single cell acts as all the systems. Okay, hence single cell in this amoeba the food material is removed from the surface of the cell. Okay students, we will discuss or revise the points again when we consider the different steps in the process of nutrition in animals: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. These are the 5 basic steps. This may ask for the 5 marks question, okay, for your board examination. It is very important concept in this nutrition process. Okay, ingestion means intake of food inside the body of organism. Digestion means complex insoluble molecules are broken down into the smaller and soluble molecules. Then absorption of the food material takes place inside the bloodstream through the intestinal wall. Then assimilation, assimilation means absorbed food is taken in the body cells used for the energy growth. And egestion means the undigested food is removed from the body of the cell. This is the multicellular animals मध्ये ही concept होत असते. ठीक आहे, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption. Then we have to consider here assimilation and egestion. When we consider the unicellular as amoeba, which is given in the NCERT book also, when we consider these amoeba eats tiny plants and animals which is present in the water. Okay, because amoeba is aquatic. Okay, the mode of nutrition is holozoic. holozoic म्हणजे काय, तर फूड बॉडीमध्ये इंटेक केलं जातं नंतर डायजेस्ट होतं, ह्याला होलोझोइक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन म्हटलेलं आहे. फॅगोसायटोसिस, द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑब्टेनिंग फूड बाय द अमिबा. अमिबा ज्या पद्धतीनं फूड ॲब्सॉर्ब करतो त्याला आपण काय म्हटलेलं आहे, फॅगोसायटोसिस म्हटलेलं आहे. देन स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्ड इन द न्यूट्रिशन ऑफ अमिबा, द सेम स्टेप्स आर प्रेझेंट ॲज वी सीन इन द न्यूट्रिशन कन्सेप्ट, दॅट इज इंजेशन, then digestion, then absorption, assimilation and egestion. Okay, when we consider the ingestion, the finger like projections like pseudopodia, they engulf the food particle inside the body through the food vacuole. Okay, then digestion of food takes place inside the food vacuole, because food vacuole contains the digestive enzymes, then small and soluble molecules are formed, then assimilation takes place. These simple soluble molecules are passed out of the food vacuole into the surrounding. म्हणजे सेल्युलर कंटेंटमध्ये ते सोल्युबल सबस्टन्सेस रिलीज होतात आणि एनर्जी काय होते, युटिलाइज होते through the assimilation. Okay, assimilation, this energy leads to the growth of the amoeba or making the parts of the amoeba cell. Okay, means the smaller particles which are formed through the digestion process, for the absorption process. These absorbed food materials are used for the utilization of energy through the respiration, and making the different parts of the amoeba cell leads to the growth of the cell. Okay, then egestion, the undigested waste material is released from the surface of the cell and thrown out from the body of the cell. This is the egestion of the cell. Okay, students, when we consider this diagram in nutrition in amoeba also, it is very important. Again, both the questions, nutrition in animals and nutrition in amoeba, the basic 5 steps you may ask for the 5 marks question. Hence these are the very important questions from this lecture. Okay, you have to remember as it is these points. Students, if you have any query, okay, students, if you have any query or any problem in this lecture, you may comment in the link or you may contact directly with me. Okay, you have to solve some questions as given in the homework. Thank you.